In this video, we'll be writing fractions as continuous fractions. First, let's start off with 23 over 19. In order to write this as a continuous fraction, we have to use Euclid's algorithm. You always want to put the bigger number outside, so it's 23, and then 1 times 19 plus 4 is going to give us 23. And now we slide everything to the left. So this 1 disappears, and then the 19 takes the place of 23, and 4 takes the place of 19. Now 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 is going to give us 19. So we eliminate this 4, and we have the 4 and the 3 sliding over. Now 4 is 3 times 1 plus 1. This 1 goes away. The 3 and the 1 slide over. And now we have 3 times 1 plus 0 is equal to 3. From here, we can write out the fraction. So these are the numbers that we're interested in. First, start off with a number 1, and then you're going to be going down in a diagonal fashion. So notice the 1, 4, 1, 3 are from here. 1, 4, 1, 3. And then you just need to put 1 over each of these fractions, each of these numbers. So this is our continuous fraction. Now we can look at a fraction that is less than 1. The previous fraction was greater than 1. So we're still going to start with Euclid's algorithm. Start out with a big number, 63. And then we're going to have 5 times 12 plus 3. The 12 and the 3 are going to slide over, and we're going to remove the 5. Now 4 times 3 plus 0 is 12. So at this point we stop since we have remainder 0. And we can rewrite our fraction 12 over 63. Well, because it's less than 1, you're going to have a 0 over here. And then you're just going to write 5 and 4 along the diagonal. And then make sure you put 1 on top of each number. Now let's look at an example where the common factors are greater than 1. So in this example, they're both even, so we know they have factors of 2 in common. But the process remains the same. Always pick the big number outside, and then leave the smaller number inside. So 42 is 2 times 16 plus 10. We're going to slide over the 16 and the 10. Now 16 is 1 times 10 plus 6. Slide over the 10 and the 6. 10 is 1 times 6 plus 4. Slide over the 6 and the 4. 6 is 1 times 4 plus 2. Slide the 4 and the 2. And at this point, we get a remainder 0 because 4 is 2 times 2. So now what we're interested in are these numbers. So these are going to be along the diagonal. So you're going to first start off with the number 2. So it's going to be 2 plus. And then each of these 4 numbers, the 1, 1, 1, and 2, we're going to have a 1 on top of it. So for this one, we have this one on top. For this one, we have this one on top. For this one, we have this one on top. For this 2, we have 1 on top. So this is our continuous fraction.